Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A51 and today I would like to show you where you can change theme of your device. Firstly, open settings. Now scroll down, select themes over here and tap on the loop. At the top right corner, type wherever you want to and select one of the available themes, like this one. After that, select download. Log in into your Samsung account and tap apply. You can also go back into the default theme by tapping on those three lines at the top left corner, selecting My Stuff, clicking on your theme and choosing Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!